Let me ask you a question. What if you could never get fired? What if you could never get laid off? And what if you were in control of how much money you could make this week? Hello and welcome. My name is John Sexsmith, and in the next several minutes I will present to you a business concept that can bring you financial security in these times of economic uncertainty. There is an alternative to simply trying to keep your head above water, and I ask that you listen carefully throughout the next few minutes. What you hear can change your life for the better. It's no secret that people are concerned about their appearance and are consuming anti-aging products at an extraordinary rate. Men and women of all ages, starting in their 20s, are treating trips to day spas, plastic surgeons, dermatologists, and estheticians as routinely as getting a haircut. People are spending more and more money on all kinds of solutions to look and feel younger. What if you could provide a better solution? What if we could stop aging at its source? We're introducing you to a patented breakthrough discovery and solution that's changing the way we look at anti-aging. In a significant scientific breakthrough, Nu Skin has discovered a previously unknown internal source of aging. Only Nu Skin has an exclusive patent-pending technology called Ageloc. This anti-aging technology contains a blend of ingredients designed specifically to target your internal source of aging, helping you control your skin's genetic destiny. Our story begins almost a decade ago with a phone call between two scientists, Dr. James Morey of Purdue University and Dr. Joseph Chang of Nu Skin. James and Dorothy Morey had been heavily involved in the ongoing research for a cure for cancer. Specifically, their studies have revolved around the role of green tea and anti-cancer activity. They were looking for an extremely high-quality standardized green tea product, and Nu Skin met their criteria. This was the beginning of a friendship and a professional collaboration. About 5 years ago, in a discussion with Dr. Chang, the Moreys commented on discovering an enzyme not present in very young people. But oddly, it was found in cells in ever-increasing quantities as a person aged. This was a major breakthrough. Further research found that this mysterious enzyme called AR-NOx is a source of aging. This was extraordinarily exciting. With this landmark breakthrough discovery of this internal aging source, Dr. Chang wondered if they could effectively slow the process of aging. Dr. Chang and his team went to work and they developed a technology called Ageloc. It appeared to be the solution to stopping this internal source of aging, but Nu Skin scientists needed to verify this. Stanford University was invited to do third-party clinical trials, and at the conclusion of these trials, these were the results. The activity of the AR-NOx enzyme in a person's skin was monitored for a period of 48 minutes. Do you see the up and down activity? That is essentially the AR-NOx enzyme aging your skin from the inside. They then applied Ageloc. What happened next is amazing. The AR-NOx activity levels in this clinical trial shows that Ageloc has virtually flatlined all activity, essentially stopping aging in its tracks. Think about that. Nu Skin has discovered a way to stop aging at the source. What if you could leverage the power of this breakthrough technology? What would that be worth to you? And what would it be worth to others? The exciting thing is that you can be one of the first to use and introduce this exclusive patented technology to other people. These Ageloc facial gels are designed to be used with another Nu Skin product, the exclusive patented Nu Skin Galvanic Spa. The Nu Skin Galvanic Spa system, too, allows you to achieve results in a small amount of time from the privacy of your home. The Galvanic Spa, together with the Ageloc facial gels, has the power to smooth out lines and wrinkles and give your skin a rejuvenated look and feel. The spa's benefits don't end with the face. The Galvanic Spa comes with additional attachments to be used on the body to minimize the appearance of cellulite, and another to revitalize the scalp and hair. As you can see, all people of all ages can see visible improvement. And what's even more exciting, the benefits of Nu Skin technology doesn't end right where we are. Nu Skin's got a long list of unique products that deliver amazing benefits, and every savvy business person knows that the only way to build a stable, long-lasting business is based on consumable products that consumers reorder month after month and year after year. We've looked at the Ageloc technology, which is designed to prevent aging. Now let's look at a product that's designed to restore the already existing signs of aging. After 17 years of research and development and some $20 million later, Nu Skin released True Face Essence Ultra. It might be hard to believe, but these tiny blue pearls contain the power to bring your skin's elasticity levels back to that of a 19 to 24-year-old in just 60 days. These amazing benefits are achieved through an ingredient called ethicin, and only Nu Skin has the rights to it in our industry. And oh yes, remember that clinically graded green tea that we spoke about earlier? You can find it in this product along with CoQ10 and a protective antioxidant network. Look at this picture. Diana, age 52, participated in a Nu Skin 90-day clinical study, and during the 90 days, Diana used a galvanic spa with Ageloc gels twice a week and True Face Essence Ultra morning and night on the right side of her face only. The differences are obvious. From a scientific standpoint, Dr. Helen Nags of Nu Skin says that Diana's skin underwent a transformative process called remodeling. And to best understand this, think about a bridge with all the supporting struts that have collapsed. The Nu Skin regimen stimulated her skin to start producing elastin and collagen again, and this made the structural support of her skin come back. Diana says that the right side of her face reminds her of how her skin looked in her 30s. Differentiating yourself in a market with innovative products is what opens doors and drives revenue in a business. Today you have the opportunity to participate in the rapidly expanding anti-aging industry with 3 revolutionary products. And this unique combination of products, hands down, is the hottest anti-aging solution available. But don't just take my word for it. All 3 products have been recognized by numerous media outlets. With the recent launch of Ageloc, their popularity amongst men, women, and celebrities of all ages is just beginning. It isn't just the products that determine your success. Your partner behind the products is also a critical component. With over $1.2 billion in revenue last year, Nu Skin Enterprises is one of the largest and most successful companies in the direct selling industry. The company's 25-year track record of success is based on a strategy of creative product development and marketing supported by a talented and financially conservative management team. They are currently operating in over 45 countries and are extremely stable with over $600 million in assets, millions of dollars in cash reserves, and have consistently maintained a 5A1 Dun & Bradstreet rating, which is the highest financial rating a company can receive. Financial organizations such as Forbes, Investors, Business Daily, and The Motley Fool have all highlighted Nu Skin for their financial strength and innovation. Nu Skin has made a commitment to pay out more money to their distributor force than any other direct selling company in the history of the industry. Already, Nu Skin has paid out over $5 billion in commissions over the last 25 years, and in 2008, they paid out nearly $600 million in commissions around the world. Currently, there is a Nu Skin distributor who earns their first $1,000 every 90 minutes. The only question now is that as Nu Skin grows to potentially become a $2 billion company, maybe even a $5 billion company or more, how much of that new commissions do you want to claim as your own? The Nu Skin compensation plan is based on the only true secret of wealth, and that's leverage. J. Paul Getty, the world's first billionaire, said, "I'd rather have 1% of the efforts of 100 people than 100% of my own efforts." The reason that our compensation plan has created more millionaires than anyone else in our industry is because we combine the concept of leverage with products that give visual results, that are very emotional, unique, and that people order month after month and year after year. The Nu Skin compensation plan rewards you based on the volumes of sales created by you and your personal network of distributors. And the more sales volumes that you and your organizations generate, the more you are able to be paid. And this means that you can decide for yourself your own level of income. Essentially, you're paid for productively moving products to an end-line consumer through your efforts, and then by building, training, and supporting a business organization that duplicates, hence leveraging your actions. In business as in life, timing is one component of success, and without a doubt, this is the right time. Throughout a variety of economic times, the anti-aging market has provided a time-tested, recession-proof industry for entrepreneurs, and there's every indication that the market will continue to grow into the future. The Ageloc facial gels are only the beginning of what's to come from Nu Skin. This is the first product using Ageloc technology. Soon Nu Skin will introduce even more products using this breakthrough technology, and the second generation of Ageloc is even more exciting to all of us. AR Nox is not only in your skin, but it has been discovered to be in your blood, organs, essentially every cell in your body. After age 25, it becomes more aggressive, aging you from the inside out. Nu Skin's the only company that can identify and inhibit this aging enzyme. The second generation of Ageloc will be designed not only for appearance on the outside, but how we will feel on the inside. As a Nu Skin distributor, there's 5 ways that you can earn money: retail profits, basic commissions, executive commissions, breakaway commissions, and a profit-sharing bonus pool. This generous compensation plan allows people like you the choice to define their own life by creating anything from a supplemental income to the privileged lifestyle of total financial freedom. Where would you like to see yourself? Well, Nu Skin is your capital partner and provide the products and the company stability required for long-term success. They're not your only partner. You will have all the support and training that you need and want. You'll have a team of people willing to work with you to help you achieve your goals and give you direction towards your success. Through Global Partners Network, you will have a training and resource website, your personalized website, marketing material, and weekly conference calls. The success system found here has been created and developed by some of the most successful leaders in the industry. So what if you could be part of the right company with innovative breakthrough products at the right time? And what if you could start part-time, learn a business from experts, and earn some big money? The difference between what if and reality is taking action. So contact the person who invited you. They'll be able to help you answer your questions and show you how to get started right away.